making a watermelon mint granita full of vodka in it. I'm Kirsten with Messermeister, and we're celebrating Chef Adam Glick's Live Free, Eat Well. It's out now, get your copy. We are doing a riff on his watermelon mint granita. We're gonna boozy it up a little bit and take it from here. This is our inspiration today. I'm using our carbon chef's knife right now. This thing is so tough, it's gonna get through this with ease. This might take a little while. Put it in the freezer to get it cold. We're gonna put a cup of watermelon in our shaker, half a teaspoon of sugar, a pinch of salt. Get some mint leaves and roughly chop them because we feel like it kind of muddles down a little bit easily. Muddle an ounce and a half of vodka in there, some ice in there. And as my sister says, too cold to hold. Nice and frothy. Dash of fever tree on top. Mint, blueberry, and lime. Oh yeah, that's tasty. Go and get Adam's book, Live Free, Eat Well, out on Amazon right now. So cheers, happy Friday, everyone.